People are the invader boss or any other invader they last no people today now going to talk about Alkaline song Link is the same concept or was the concept before Busy Signal song text message. Yeah man people, the two of them do a bad song about text messaging and them something there. As me I said, the two songs them is about text message. Busy Signal do him song in 2015, Alkaline do him song in 2011. Alkaline song is about him texting one girl in which him a try to get the girl if he him girlfriend, while Busy Signal is about him texting whole heap of woman. Yeah man. He must show say my gallus and them thing there in her life, you see me? Whole heap of woman. She now stop. She a text off the phone. She now stop. Busy Signal the female in the perspective of him a big artist already. While Alkaline the female in the perspective of him no boss yet, him a just want you to try boss. You see me? Please call me but could no call back. Me the studio and a voice up a one track. As you can see, Busy Signal song have the voice effect in it. Me don't even know for it. Oh it go. Boy, me can't do it at all. Alkaline song don't really have the voice effect there in it, but Busy Signal have I don't know. Next thing is a next girl that with the texting. As mentioned before, Alkaline song was done before Busy Signal song. Alkaline song in 2011, Busy Signal song in 2015. 2015 when WhatsApp just take off. Alkaline did this on one of her Dunwell records. Yes, before Dunwell go switch over to the Gaza. Alkaline has show for a long time in one boss. Yes, Alkaline has show for a long time same creative and in one boss. You see when artists want boss. Busy Signal is known as a very creative artist over the years. Remember him sing, "Nah go jail again, oh no," and some other songs. So you don't know Busy Signal creative side, but for a long time before him boss Alkaline have him creative side as well. So Alkaline two of them sang bad, yes. The two of them sang extremely dangerous. Whole heap of creativity, whole heap of lyrics. Extra props to the Vendetta Boss because the Vendetta Boss did this for a long time. 2011. Yeah man. 2011 before nobody knows him a ton big bad successful act in a dance hall. Yeah. It's gonna be a big bad successful act in a dance hall, so you probably never get the mix. You would get it from if they do it now. You do it now, yeah.